So this is part 2 of making friends with cookies. A man opens the door and says, "Hey, you're our new neighbor. I'm Eric." Soon Alex is drinking a lot of coffee and also eating delicious cookies, which Eric's wife made. Daphne isn't at home at the moment. She's at work. But her cookies are here. Eric asks a question. "What do you do, Alex?" Alex says that he's a trainer for adults at a gym. There you should pause and read the text one more time. And if you are ready, let's take a look at the first of the items. So, a lot of means much or many, not a little. In summer, we drink a lot of water, not a little water. These houses have got a lot of windows. They have got many windows. Star advice. To see a lot of stars, our eyes first need a little time, 30 minutes, far from light. Then we see more things. Also means to or in addition. We use also to add more information. It's like and. Roy likes skateboarding. He also likes playing guitar. And he likes playing guitar. I don't like this hotel. Also, it's not near the sea. Do koalas only eat leaves from eucalyptus trees? No, they also eat leaves from other trees, but eucalyptus is their favorite. At home means in your own house or flat. Today, many people work at home using the internet. They work in their own house. Sorry, Roy isn't at home now. Can I take a message? I hope Ted is at home when we visit him. He spends a lot of time walking on the mountain. At the moment means right now. I'm painting at the moment. I can't play tennis, sorry. At the moment, Dennis isn't here. He's at the park. So in the text, Daphne isn't in the house right now. She's somewhere else. She's at work. And at work means in the place where you go to work. I only eat at home. I never eat anything at work. Pat isn't at work today because it's Sunday. I'm at work at the moment. Call me later. I will be at home after 4:30 today. So more word friends. Many words for places have the word friend at in front of them. So it's a good idea to try to learn these phrases together. These 3 phrases for places are at home, at work, and at school. So the first example says, is Peter at home? I never eat at work. Kit is at school now. Okay, let's go on and see the next item, which is ask a question. And that means say what, why, how. Excuse me, can I ask a few questions? It's good to ask questions. It helps you to learn. And finally, adult is a person, someone, aged over 18. We also call adults a grown-up. It's the opposite of a child. You can see two adults in the picture. This is a movie which children and adults love. Adults pay £20 at the museum. Children pay £10. Holmes said, I want to ask you 2 questions. Why were you in the bank in the middle of the night? And how did you get in? So let's practice some of those items. Again, you see a text with 5 gaps, and you must put the blue-colored words into the right gap. Pause the video and take your time. And now, if you are ready, let's see the text with the gaps filled, and we'll read it together. At the moment, my wife isn't at home. Right now, Daphne is at work, but her cookies are here. Eric asks a question. What do you do? Alex says, I train adults at a gym. Another place that has the word friend at is a gym. As always, it's a great idea to try to learn that second text, and so learn the words and how we use them. And here we will finish with part 2, and the next video is the final part of making friends with cookies.